Front double bicep flex. Relax. Pose number 3, side chest. Pose number 3, back double biceps. Relax. And pose number 7, abdomen with thigh muscles. Relax. Okay. Dilip Kumar Deori of Assam.
Hello, hello, Mr. Prahana, Mr. Santosh Kandor. Dilip,
So he'll be awarded with the beautiful trophy, 10,000 rupees cash. Thank you. To give away the 4th place, can you call the guest?
Mazdur Ali. Mazdur Ali.
Okay. And the 4th place goes to trunk number 200, Kashar Ali of Assam. Cash of rupees 10,000, beautiful trophy. Thank you. To give away the 3rd place, ये बाजू आइए. To give away the 3rd place, we have the guest to the center of the stage.
Romandas.
Please come on the center of the stage. And the 3rd place goes to trunk number 198, Dipanjan Mitra. All of you please come and collect your check from Hiral ma'am here, okay? Okay, thank you. In the 2nd place, may I have the guest of honor in the center of the stage?
Mr. Kulan Gogoi.
Okay. The 2nd place goes to
Assam Olympic Association.
Okay, please come on the dais on the dais. Thank you. The 2nd place goes to trunk number 197, Nebajit Kumar Das. Cash of rupees 20,000 with beautiful trophy. And may I have the guest of honor to give the first place.
Basundara Das. Mr. Basundara Das.
The first place goes to none other than from number 199, Suodip Vaidya. ₹30,000 cash with beautiful trophy. Congratulations to all the winners and please collect your checks from middleman.